Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. This gives you an option for online upgrade. It has wireless connection, plug and play, and navigation. Let's open the box. This is awesome. How about the back side? On this side there is USB-C area. Here we have user manual and USB-A to USB-C, USB-C to USB-C cable. This one doesn't have nano SIM card. Let's plug the device. And we're gonna see some green lights. I need to go to Wi-Fi. And we're gonna see AutoKit. Pair, allow, pair request, connect. Right now it is connected right there. And over here we need to go there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Confirm. And now it is connected. Then we're gonna go to browser right there. We will search testpush.com. testpush.com. Enter. You see, right now we have the Apple CarPlay. This is awesome. Let's try to use Google Maps. And now over there, and try to go to work. Start. Alrighty. You turn on the car and trying to drive. Basically, go home page. And you need to go to wireless connection and find AutoKit. And it's gonna go ahead and connect. Now it's connected. We're gonna go to personal hotspot right there. And that's it. Continue using it. This is awesome. How about using different types of things? Phone connection, music, as you see. And it is also fast. Let's see the applications. Google Maps. Alrighty. Let's go back to the applications. Auto, calendar, settings. Let's check the settings. And go back. Messages. There is play. There is music and navigation. SoundCloud, Storytel, Udemy, WhatsApp, YouTube Music, and Zoom. I can definitely suggest this product. It's because it is impossible to get the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, but right now you have it. Now I'm driving and it is working perfectly. Let's try to use Apple Maps and gas station somewhere. Exxon. Let's see. It's working perfectly, as you see. And I'm gonna try to use Google Maps also and see the performance. Right now the Google Maps is over here. And we can search something up. For example, gas station again. And Murphy. Start. Works perfectly. How about the sound?
Turn, then turn right.
And you can change the volume here. Basically, you're getting the Google Maps
Turn right,
voice
then turn right.
on the car. How about YouTube Music? That's also working perfectly. Awesome. You can also access your contacts, and you can see the recents, contacts, keypad, voicemail. You can call whoever you like.